back to my famous, well-known, creative, innovative, unique, popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on Python using machine learning. Yes, right now I am dreaming about machine learning. I told many times that I am dreaming about React.js, but today I am dreaming about machine learning. We have seen a lot of videos long back ago, 2 years back, recognition of facial expression from emotion expression from an image. But this video is something different. I am doing it on browser. Yes, so detecting the facial emotion from an image with graph. So let us go through the execution of the program. So I will execute first of all we'll see the source code. I will execute the program. This is all about Flask and this thing. Yes, we'll see on browser. Facial emotion investigator. Now this prediction, yes, happy, yes, then happy, yes, then this graph is coming, yes. Now I will take, so this is very interesting, the angry graph come, the happy, and then graphical visualization. Then now we will go through image. Now I will upload my famous well-known actor image of Shah Rukh Khan. So first of all we will take SRK1 neutral. Yes, it is our neutral. So graph of neutral is coming. Very fine. Now I will take another image. SRK2. He is angry. Shah Rukh Khan is angry. Now I will upload. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan is angry. So angry is graph is coming. Now I will another image. SRK4. Shah Rukh Khan is always happy. Yes, happy. Yes. Oh, neutral. It is coming neutral. We will take another image. SRK5. Here teeth are coming. That's why it is happy. Yes, happy. Teeth are seen. That's why it is happy. Now I upload another image. Oh, कभी खुशी कभी गम. Yes, sir. कभी खुशी कभी गम. Yes. Then it is of little bit of fear is there and sad is there. Now at the last, and 7 is surprise. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan is surprised. मैं हूँ ना. So we can emotion with music. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with emotion recognition from an inbuilt image, and from image I uploaded. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning with emotion recognition using Flask, then data science if possible, and Node.js, React.js, merge stack, full stack, operating system, op-amp, then MongoDB, and if possible iOS. theory and hope, yes, definite cloud. So here there is and get self a treat, nice. So here enter the URL and upload the image. Manually upload the image, real-time image. I want to take real-time image, but today my hairstyle is not like Shah Rukh Khan, so I will upload my real image in next video. So please watch my upcoming videos on machine learning using Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. So thanks for watching.